Hi everyone, today I want to sharing, as you know I'm doing Autogate alarm CCTV.ss. Some people calling say I'm looking for cheaper enough because I know everywhere is the same one, the product. Actually it's not same. Like we go, example we go makan, we go restaurant, we go number A restaurant, we order fried rice. So a few weeks later we go another B restaurant, we order fried rice too. Both also fried rice, but the taste is different one. Even though sometimes we go back to number A, but the cooking, the people, the chief change already. Other people he using the ingredient is same, but when he cook that time it's different. So we makan the time also feel the taste like different already. Same like our product also, it's not same one. We using the high quality product. Some more we more focus on the installation, because installation I know very simple. Everyone can install, but install until can last longer, this one got skill one. That's why we are the different. So hope this video can help you all. Thank you.